Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin. We're going to roll on the Pit Boss Lexington 500 again at 225 degrees. And again tonight, I am using the Smokin Pecan Shell pellets. And I'll leave a link below if you want it. I am not affiliated with them. And so what I'm going to do tonight is this pecan stuffed, bacon wrapped, horrible bacon. Let me just go inside and show you how I did this, and then how I did this little extra bonus here, okay? Let's go inside, we'll get that done, we'll come back out, get these on the grill. Okay, so the way I'm gonna prepare this pork tenderloin, I've already cut the fat, trimmed it up, took some silver skin off of it, and the way I'm gonna prepare this is, will be very similar to those of you that make pork ribs. I'm just gonna cut this right down the middle here. Try not to go through. I just touched the bottom in a couple of places. That'll be all right. I'm going to get in there pretty good. Okay. Just like that. Now, here's where the familiar part is. I'm going to take some parquet butter. Put that in the middle. I'm going to brush it a little bit on the sides here. Okay. Then we're going to take some brown sugar. Well, it's looking familiar. Just like you do ribs. And put in some honey. Okay. Now I got this Granny Smith apple. All I'm going to do with this is cut it in half, and I want some wedges. They don't have to be thick. Let's see if four cuts it. So basically I want to go down. You can chunk these up or cut these up in chunks. Chunk it up, cut them in chunks, whatever. I'm going to put the apple in here. All right, and of course, I'm going to put some pecans in here. Let me just move this back a little bit. I've got my ManKitchenRecipes mallet. We're not going to whack them too hard. I do want to bust them up a little bit, though. These are whole half pecans. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to put some pecans in here. Okay. That looks nice and stuffed, doesn't it? Okay. Now, how the heck are we going to keep this together, huh? Oh, I know. I got some really cheap bacon. See if I can even get it apart. So what I'm going to attempt to do is wrap this pork tenderloin. I'm going to go ahead and fold up that end. And I'm going to get this wrapped up in bacon the best I can, because this bacon is horrible. All right, so I'm not going to make you suffer with me with this. I'm going to get it wrapped up and I'll be right back. All right, well that was excruciating. That's the worst bacon I've ever bought. And I think it was bar S. It was horrible. I'm lucky I got that wrapped in, and I got so wrapped up in the bacon, I forgot to show that I put some Munster cheese in there as well. So sorry about that. The bacon was just kind of freaking me out. So it is what it is. Let's hope this turns out. And I'm going to sprinkle some of this Bad Byron's butt rub that my friends Ray and Jan got me. They picked it up and mailed it to me, so we're going to give this a try on here. I'm not going to even roll it over to do the bottom because of this bacon. So I did taste it. It's a little bit salty, so I'm not going to put too much on there. I think that's going to be good. And what the heck? I mean, we all know that pork tenderloin, they come 2 in a pack, so let's fix up another one. All right, for this is a bonus one. You get 2 in a pack, right? So this is the bonus one. I've done these before. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to use mustard as a binder. Get a little more on this side. Okay, this is super simple. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and toss some brown sugar on this as well. I didn't do this probably in the other video that I've made. Just a little, sweeten it up just a little bit. A little brown sugar. Okay, and then I got to play with my ManKitchenRecipes mallet. And I smashed up some pecans. I'm going to dump these out on here. See, they're a little finer. And we're going to get some pecan crust on this pork tenderloin. I want to get it on there real good. A nice layer. And this will smoke with my stuffed pecan and apple pork tenderloin. All right, there you go. Pecan crusted pork tenderloin. Okay, so there we go. Pecan stuffed with apple, brown sugar, butter, honey, and Gouda cheese that I forgot to show you. This bacon was a pain. Bar S, I don't recommend it. And then the bonus is the pecan crusted pork tenderloin. And we're gonna do these in the Pit Boss Lexington. I'm gonna do 30 minutes at 225, and then we're gonna crank it up to 300, 325. I need to get the bacon cooked. I need to get these done. When these hit 145 internal, 145, 150, and same with that. I'll check the temp on that, I'll probe that, so let's get these in. All right, here we go. I got it on my baking rack. Notice the feet are up so that you can slide it on the grate. It doesn't get caught. So we're just gonna put those in there. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but I'm pecan shell pellets, pecan crusted, pecan stuffed. Yeah, we got a pecan theme going tonight. I'm going to put the probe in this pecan crusted one, and when we hit the temp, I'll check the temp on that. Like I said, just need to turn it up, get that bacon cooked. So I'll be back in about 30. All right, let's just take a peek. It's just been 30 minutes. It's looking good. So what I'm gonna do now is turn the Pit Boss up to, I'm gonna put it at 325, set it. It's showing that this is at 106 right now, so we'll be back. I'll check it probably in about 30. All right, 30 minutes. This is temping out at 155. Maybe I can, oh man. There we go. All right, so I can slide that out. That bacon's looking pretty good. That pecan crusted. Gonna take a quick temp, try to get the outside part. 45. All right, so that'll be good. 47. Okay, we're gonna let this take this pork off. We're gonna let it rest for a few minutes, and we'll cut into it. Look at it. It's pretty darn tasty. Look at that. All right, there we go. Bacon wrapped pork tenderloin stuffed with apples, pecans, and Gouda cheese. I also have the brown sugar, butter, and honey in there, just like you do ribs. Let's cut into this and see how we did. All right, look at that. Okay, there you go. All right, before we taste it, let's just flip this around. Let's get our pecan crusted on here. Look at that. All right. Let's cut this one open. Got it nice and juicy still. Gonna have to get a taste of this too, right? Look at that. Looks pretty tasty. All right, there we go. Stuffed pork tenderloin wrapped in bacon. I got the pecan, apple, and Gouda cheese in there. I put some butter, brown sugar, and honey inside as well. I've got the pecan crusted right here, and then on down the line. So let's give this a try. I already know it's going to be delicious. Okay, there's the one with the stuffed. Wow. That has got some great flavor. I actually got a piece of the Gouda cheese right there. Sorry I didn't show me putting it in. I forgot. I moved the bacon around and stuffed it inside. That tastes amazing. The pecans. The pecan smoke. You can really taste the pecan smoke from those pecan pellets, pecan shell pellets. Okay, this is the pecan crusted, just a bonus. So tender. Tender and delicious. Man. All right. There you go. Pork tenderloin. Doesn't have to be boring, right? You can stuff it with whatever you want. You can cut it in half, flatten it out, whatever. I like just cutting a slit, stuffing it, wrapping it in bacon. Usually I use some quality bacon, bar S. Fail big time. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great